Fit check. Of course, we got the old backpack. We're gonna find out how waterproof it really is. Let's roll. Let's start this bad boy off right. You can hear that nature. Oh my goodness. So at this point, we're maybe a quarter mile in. I mean, this is kind of what I'm dealing with the entire way. We've got some remnants here of the last of the cherry blossoms. We're not in DC, I can tell you that. Nor are we in Japan. I didn't know these were out here. Very pretty. Not a ton left, but enough. Oh, look at this. Wow. This is what I appreciate the most about the walk. It's just you're along some water pretty much the entirety of the way. And then just fields of ferns. Come on, lush, beautiful green ferns. All right, this is the break. This way takes me towards Centerville, Manassas. This is the way we want to go. To the bridge, towards Clifton, Hemlock, Fountainhead. Well, here we are at the first breaking point underneath the railroad tracks on this here log. Crack open some water. Like I said, I do got to come back this way, so Snoopy. Nothing going on but listening to nature. Beautiful. Beautiful. I mean, this water is rushing. Don't want to be caught up in that. Not even gonna play with it down there. Pause. All right, checkpoint number 2, and this is what I was fearing. However, things look good. Question is, by the time I come back, will I be able to see them? We got all day to play. Come on. We'll find out. Number 1. Number 2. Easy peasy. Aha, submergence. I see. I'm gonna put you guys away. And if there's a part 2 to this, you know I made it, so we're good. And we made it. Now we test fire and make our way to Kinchelo. It's a structure, but there's nothing there. It's all cement. It's like a bunker. People could go in there if they wanted to. We're not going to. There's no benefit. It's a checkpoint though. My boys actually were down in the creek a couple weeks ago tubing. It's fun. You wouldn't do it on a day like today, but when the water's lower, clearer, you do it. It's kind of fun. But you look for that on the banks, so you kind of know where you are. We're 3 miles in. The first animal that hasn't either flown away or gotten scared by me. Just a little birdie. Gotta love the human race. Just cut the bullshit out, right? See a problem, just go right through it. Fuck the tree. I mean, just forget the... Look, 2 times. 2 times they made this decision. Let the tree be. Hey. That's fine. Nature's playground. I don't know if my charging block is working. My phone was at 80% when I hopped on the trail and I had to switch it to airplane mode, but we're chilling at 11% battery right now. If the phone dies, no more footage after a certain point in this hike, right? So it's okay. If my phone dies, I'm fine. I'm fine, Kyle. If I'm being quite honest, this is where I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna go back after I eat some lunch here. The sun looks like I might be peaking a little bit, and I'm worried because I did not dress light. And it's gonna get hot. It's gonna get humid and not be enjoyable. I've logged 5 miles thus far though. So it'll be 5 miles going back. It'll be a 10-mile day. 3 hours. Just like I said I wanted, from 10 to 1 here. And then from 1 to 4, back in my car. Back in time to watch some NBA tonight and just hang out. Eat some pho. So we've got drums and some wings. I had a rotisserie chicken from Costco at home. Figured I'd bring legs and the wing. This is lunch, you know what I mean? All right, I'm glad I'm heading back because it looks like the sun was short-lived and it's back to being chilly again, so onward bound. All right, we are chugging our way back here, trying to beat my phone dying, still at 2% miraculously. And would you know it, we're not stuck. Ooh. Speed, efficiency, 2% left. Thank God. Finally home. Phone died half a mile before I got to the car, so I'm actually quite impressed with how it lasted. Halfway point turning around, right? So, oh, this jacket's dirty. It was a good hike. It was wet. I didn't see anybody until maybe mile 4. I think they were fishermen down coming from the Hemlock way. And then past the structure, kept it pushing until I got to Kinchelo in the meadows. Had a little bit of lunch, turned back around. And then on the way back, I was just hightailing it just because I had 6-7% left on my phone. And then it got down to 2%. Wasn't stopping to take any pictures. Started having to poop because of the fiber of the apples. I think I'm gonna save this for tomorrow. It's the steak, egg, and cheese. I just had my chicken, my apples, and my plantain chips. So plenty of water too. I didn't need too much more. And of course, no hike complete without the deer.